So I've had this great idea that I'd like you to be part of. I'm actually going to be working towards an exhibition based on the ocean. I love to do research and try and work out what to do with this exhibition because there's so many directions I can go in. And what I want you to do is be part of it. I want you to be a fly on the wall or be looking over my shoulder, and you'll see everything, the good, the bad and the ugly. So unlike Instagram and some YouTube and Facebook where everything looks fantastic, this is all about honesty and you being there with me and for you to see the whole process of what an artist does from, the idea of I might have an exhibition, to putting the paintings on the wall and opening the exhibition. I have to go to Croatia and Cinque Terre later in the year. Maybe I'll get some inspiration there, some ideas, I don't know. But you can come with me. So you will see how I come up with the concept, you'll see how I plan, how I research, the studies that I do. You'll occasionally watch me do the painting. You'll see the ones that don't work, you'll see the failures and the successes. You'll see me cry, you'll see me laugh, you will see everything. And I think it'll be very beneficial for painters and non-painters. For painters because they'll learn things on the way, but for non-painters, it'll be interesting. It'll be like a reality TV, but an artist's life, if you like. But to be part of this, you have to fork out some money, I'm afraid. I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse.
I'm going to make him an offer he can't refuse.
In essence, I'm going to be setting up a community page on my website, not on Facebook or anywhere else, on my website where you log in, you have an account, and that's where I will be putting the posts. There'll be images, there'll be sketches, there'll be videos, there'll be talks like this. You'll see me take photos of the images, getting them ready for print. You'll see me framing them, hanging the whole lot. And there might even be some live feeds. I'll be asking you your opinion sometimes. So really, you'll be coming along with me from day one to the day the exhibition opens. It's going to take just over a year probably. And how much will this cost you? Well, this will cost you the price of a lovely mug of coffee. So it works out to be about $1 a day, $7 a week. So if you're happy to buy me a cup, the equivalent of a cup of coffee a week, to be part of it, I'd love you to be there. I haven't set it up yet. I don't want to set it up until I know that it's viable, that I've got enough people interested. So what I want to know is, do you want to be part of it? Do you want to come with me? If so, click on the link below and let me know. I'm very excited by it. I hope you are too. Please come along. See you in there.